Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and boom, money hits your account. No boss, no commute, no stress. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, this is what passive income looks like. And today, I'm going to show you 5 real ways to build up to $1,000 a day. Even if you're just getting started, let's dive in. Affiliate marketing. This is how I got started. You talk about products you already use, books, tools, gadgets. People click your link and you get paid. Simple as that. One blog post, one YouTube video, even a single social media post can earn you for months, even years. Start with what you love. Join programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. But listen, never promote stuff you don't trust, because people see through the BS fast. Selling digital products. Digital products are the ultimate money machine. You create it once and sell it again and again. No limits. Budget planners, printable journals, mini ebooks, Canva templates. These things sell. Use Canva to design. Sell on Etsy or Gumroad. No shipping, no stock, no stress. Just find a simple problem and solve it with a clean, helpful digital product. Digital real estate. Now, here's something cool. Digital real estate. I'm talking about blogs, websites, and YouTube channels. Assets that bring in cash 24/7. You make money through affiliate links, ads, or even flipping the whole thing later. Pick a niche people are already searching for, like budgeting tips or remote jobs, and build content around that. Dividend stocks. Want to keep it simple? Dividend stocks pay you just for owning them. You buy shares in solid companies, and they pay you back month after month. Use platforms like Fidelity or Charles Schwab. Start small, diversify. It's not flashy, but it's stable. And over time, it adds up. Online courses. Got a skill people want? Package it into a course. Could be tech tools, side hustle skills, productivity hacks, whatever you're good at. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Thinkific make it easy. You focus on teaching, they handle the rest. And once it's live, it's income on autopilot. Wrap up. Let's be real. None of this happens overnight. But if you stay consistent, pick just one method, and take action, you can build something real. Something that pays you over and over again. So start small. Start messy. Just start. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. Links to everything you need right down in the description. Let's build your freedom together.